Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Ryobi 18V blower. So inside, you get the blower, and then you get the various attachments. You get the extension nozzles and the small nozzle. This package is just a tool only, and you can purchase the package with the battery. Briefly going over some specs, this blower is rated at 220 CFM and 140 miles per hour. It has a runtime of about 50 minutes, and you can use the 18-volt ONE+ batteries. It comes in at 2.3 pounds. You get 2 extension tubes, a speed tip, and a flat nozzle. And you also get the user manual. Looking at the blower, you can see here it has a compact size, and it's definitely handheld, almost like a drill form factor. The bottom, you have the battery port. So this is an 18-volt 4 amp hour battery. And then, as mentioned, it comes with a few of the nozzle attachments. So basically you just insert in one end and then twist to lock. And then you have the various extension tubes. So here it is with the extension tubes. Then looking at the trigger here, this is how it sounds. And you also have the lock to lock the trigger in place. So that's with the lock mode. And then again, you can put the small extension on there. Let's see it in action. I'm gonna start off by blowing this bush so you can see the speed. So it's definitely strong as it's blowing the leaves here. Now let's clear the path. There's some dirt here. So you can easily clear your pathways, your driveways with if it has any debris, leaves, and it just does it with ease. All right, there's some more debris here at the edge of the driveway, so let's clear it out. So that's a look at the Ryobi 18V compact brushless blower. Very versatile in my opinion. You can use it to clear your garage if you have a lot of debris and dirt, leaves in your yard, walkways. You can even use it to dry off your car. If you have a lot of Ryobi products, it's compatible with the 18-volt batteries. And again, just compact in size and has a lot of power. I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.